Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today we'll discuss the most difficult words of UPSC CSAT 2021. For each word I have given you the pronunciation, its English meaning, its Hindi meaning and the exact usage in the CSAT paper. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Our first word is assent. Assent means agreement or approval. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है सहमति या स्वीकृति. In the paper it was used as nothing can exist in a natural state which can be called good or bad by a common assent. Our next word is contempt. Contempt means the feeling that something is worthless. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है तिरस्कार. In the paper it was used as sedition, wars and contempt or breach of the laws are not so much to be imputed to the wickedness of the subjects. Our next word is imputed. Imputed means attributed or assigned blame or responsibility to someone. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है आरोपित करना या मढ़ना. In the paper it was used as we have already seen earlier in the following sentence, are not so much to be imputed to the wickedness of the subject as to the bad state of a dominion. Our next word is forethought. Forethought means careful consideration of what may happen in the future. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है दूरदर्शिता. In the paper it was used as nor framed its laws with sufficient forethought. Our next word is inequities. Inequities means lack of fairness or justice. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है अन्याय या विषमताएं. In the paper it was used in the following sentence, a social and physical environment riddled with poverty, inequities, unhygienic and insanitary conditions. Our next word is insanitary. Insanitary means so dirty as to be a danger to health. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है अस्वच्छ. In the paper it was used as riddled with poverty, inequities, unhygienic and insanitary conditions generates the risk of infectious diseases. The next word is onslaught. Onslaught means an overwhelming quantity of something. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है तीव्र आक्रमण. In the paper it was used as a false sense of security that gets conditioned and reinforced by the onslaught of advertisements. The next word is sputtering. Sputtering means functioning erratically or weakly. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है लड़खड़ाती हुई. In the paper it was used as the problems are multiple, sputtering fossil fuel production capability. Then we have contestation. Contestation means the process of disputing or competing. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है विवाद या प्रतिस्पर्धा. In the paper it was used as growing environmental contestation around land, water and air. Then we have frugivores. Frugivores are animals that primarily eat fruit. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है फलाहारी जीव. In the paper it was used as support a high density and diversity of frugivores. We have harnesses. Harnesses means to control and make use of natural resources or forces. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है उपयोग में लेना या दोहन करना. In the paper it was used as it also harnesses natural processes to control pests and build soil fertility. Then we have lexicon. Lexicon is the vocabulary of a person, language or branch of knowledge. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है शब्दकोश. In the paper it was used as today GDP has assumed such a significant place in the development of lexicon. Next we have assays. Assays means procedures for testing the presence of or amount of a substance. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है परीक्षण. In the paper it was used as they used a combination of biochemical and cell-based assays to examine the gene expression profile. Next word is caravels. Caravels are the small fast-sailing ships used by Portuguese explorers. हिंदी में पुर्तगाली छोटे जहाज. In the paper it was used as Portuguese caravels in the 15th century sailed beyond the bounds of the known world. Next word is semantic. Semantic means relating to meaning in language. Here it implies subtle distortion of truth. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है अर्थगत या शाब्दिक. In the paper it was used as even the most truthful people probably tell a good many more lies that might be regarded as semantic lies. Next we have inhibit. Inhibit means to hinder, restrain or prevent a process. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है रोकना या बाधित करना. In the paper, it was used as the low intensity amber light was shown to inhibit rather than induce flowering in a wild plant of the pea family. Next, we have induce. Induce means to bring about or stimulate. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है प्रेरित करना या उत्पन्न करना. In the paper, it was used as the low intensity amber light was shown to inhibit rather than induce flowering in a wild plant. Next, we have pristine. Pristine means in its original condition or unspoiled. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है अदूषित या मूल अवस्था में. In the paper, it was used as effective pollination requires resources such as refuges of pristine natural vegetation. Next word is refuges. Refuges. Refuges are shelters or places providing protection. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है आश्रय स्थल. In the paper, it was used in the following sentence: effective pollination requires resources such as refuges of pristine natural vegetation. Next word is taxa. Taxa are the groups of organisms classified together. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है वर्गीकी समूह. In the paper, it was used as bees are the most dominant taxa when it comes to pollination. Next word is insolvency. Insolvency is the state of being unable to pay one's debts. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है दिवालियापन. In the paper, it was used as the resolution of bankruptcy cases of Indian banks under Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code. Next word is reckless. Reckless means without thinking of consequences, यानी बेपरवाह. In the paper, it was used as can do very little to rein in reckless lending. The next phrase is rein in. Rein in means to control or restrain, यानी रोकना या नियंत्रित करना. In the paper, it was used as can do very little to rein in reckless lending. Next, we have conundrums. Conundrum means confusing and difficult problems or questions. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है पहेलियां या उलझन भरी समस्याएं. In the paper, it was used in the following sentence: this will pose conundrums. Next, we have swerving. Swerving means changing direction suddenly. In the paper, its Hindi meaning is अचानक मुड़ना या दिशा बदलना. In the paper, it was used as how a driverless car will decide between hitting a jaywalker and swerving and damaging the car. Next word is impinged. Impinged means having a strong effect on or encroached on. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है प्रभाव डालना या अतिक्रमण करना. In the paper, it was used as innovation and capital have impinged on the domain of the state. The next word is corollary. Corollary means a natural consequence or result. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है स्वाभाविक परिणाम. In the paper, it appears in the following question: which one of the following statements best reflects the corollary to the passage given above? Next word is endowments. Endowments are the natural qualities or abilities or the assets possessed by someone. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है नैसर्गिक गुण या संपदा. In the paper, it appeared as what one gets out of the marketplace depends on one's endowment, skills, purchasing power. Next word is pedagogy. Pedagogy is the method and practice of teaching. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है शिक्षा शास्त्र या अध्यापन पद्धति. In the paper, it appeared in the following sentence: they are also encouraging colleges and universities all over the world to integrate these online courses into their own pedagogy. The next word is eluding. Eluding means escaping the understanding of or failing to be grasped. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है समझ से परे होना या चकमा देना. In the paper, it was used as explaining those bits that seem to be eluding the students. The next word is cocooned. Cocooned means enclosed or sheltered from the outside world. Enclosed or sheltered from the outside world. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है सुरक्षित दायरे में बंद या संरक्षित. In the paper, it appeared in the following sentence: from the cocooned world of school, suddenly the adolescent finds himself or herself in the unfettered world of the university. The next word is unfettered. Unfettered means not restricted or controlled. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है स्वतंत्र या बंधन मुक्त. In the paper, it was used as suddenly the adolescent finds himself or herself in the unfettered world of university. The next word is turmoil. Turmoil is a state of confusion or disorder. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है उथल पुथल या अशांति. In the paper it was used as here he or she is swept up in a turmoil of ideas and influences and ideologies. The next word is spectre. Spectre is something widely feared as a possible unpleasant occurrence. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है भयावह संभावना या प्रेत. In the paper it was used as about the spectre of famine that stalks large part of our land. The next word is oligarchic. Oligarchic means relating to the government by a small group of powerful people. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है अल्पतंत्री. In the paper it was used as oligarchic government ruins itself by the incautious scramble for immediate wealth. The next word is incautious. Incautious is not sufficiently careful or heedless. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है असावधान या लापरवाह. In the paper it was used as oligarchic government ruins itself by the incautious scramble for immediate wealth. The next word is scramble. Scramble is an eager or uncontrolled rush for something. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है होड़ या हाथापाई. In the paper it was used as oligarchic government ruins itself by the incautious scramble for immediate wealth. The next word is tyranny. Tyranny means cruel or oppressive rule. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है अत्याचार या निरंकुश शासन. In the paper it was used as such a democracy is tyranny or autocracy. The next word is autocracy. Autocracy is a system of government by one person with absolute power. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है एकाधिकारवाद. In the paper it appeared as such a democracy is tyranny or autocracy. The next word is meticulous. Meticulous is showing great attention to detail. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है अत्यंत सावधान. In the paper it was used as with meticulous planning and proper practice of mocks, students can better attempt their entire paper. The next word is plausible. Plausible means seeming reasonable or probable. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है विश्वसनीय. In the paper it appeared as which of the following statement best reflects the rational, plausible and practical implications. The next word is inroads. Inroads means significant advances into or impacts on something. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है उल्लेखनीय प्रगति. In the paper it was used as growing energy efficiency programs, integrated urbanization and transport policy discussions, inroads to enhancing energy access and security. The next word is inculcate. Inculcate means to instill an idea or habit by persistent instruction. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है मन में बिठाना या अनुशीलन कराना. In the paper it was used as inculcate regular habit of active reading. It is pertinent to be consistent with reading topics from different areas. The next word is pertinent. Pertinent means relevant or applicable to a particular matter. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है प्रासंगिक या उचित. In the paper it appeared as it is pertinent to be consistent with reading topics from different areas. So the last word is bursts. Bursts are the sudden occurrences of something. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है अचानक किसी क्रिया का होना या विस्फोट. In the paper it was used as capitalism has always witnessed bursts of unemployment. So those were the 45 most difficult vocabulary words from UPSC CSAT 2021 paper with their meanings, pronunciation and sentences straight from the paper. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you and I'll see you in the next one.